Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer shipping rates from Pirate Ship to ShipBob. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer shipping rates from Pirate Ship to ShipBob, start by logging into your Pirate Ship account. Navigate to the addresses section on your dashboard. Find the address you want to use for your shipping rates. Click on the address to select it. Next, go to the Shipping tab. In the Shipping section, look for the Rate Calculator. Input the necessary details such as weight, dimensions, and shipping destination. After filling in the required information, click the Get Rates button. Review the available shipping rates provided by Pirate Ship. Now, open a new tab and log into your ShipBob account. In the ShipBob dashboard, navigate to the Shipping section. Select Rates from the drop-down menu. Look for the option to add new shipping rates. Click on Add New Rate. Enter the same details you used in Pirate Ship, including weight and dimensions. Input the shipping rates you copied from Pirate Ship. Double-check for accuracy and ensure the rates align with the services offered. Once confirmed, click Save to finalize the new shipping rates in ShipBob. Repeat this process for any additional addresses or shipping scenarios as needed. You have now successfully transferred your shipping rates from Pirate Ship to ShipBob. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.